Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. So this face in this video today, I will be showing you guys how I created this entire look. Very sexy, sultry, perfect for a date night, perfect for Valentine's Day coming up, perfect for a night out with your boo. I'm really hyped because I'm in love with this look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, then please continue to watch. Hey guys, okay, so I always start with doing my brows first, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows, and I'm gonna speed through this part because I still do the same steps and everything like that. So if you want to see a dedicated video on just my brows, I will link it right at the top of the video right now, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. I still do the same steps, y'all, and I'm still using the same products. If I do change up on anything, I will film an updated brow routine. And my brows have been growing so much. This just makes me so happy. This just been making me so happy. They're so much thicker. So yeah, I'm gonna speed through this part and I'll see you guys after I'm done with my brows. Alright, so this is the eyeshadow that I'm going to start off with. This is my transition color. It's from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's in the shade Fawn. And this will be my transition color. Y'all, I haven't used Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadows in so long. And I'm back in love. Because they just blend so good. And the brush that I'm using is the Anastasia Beverly Hills A10 brush. I had this brush forever and I always use this to blend in my crease. Alright you guys, so the next eyeshadow I will be applying is the shade Brick. These are all from Anastasia Beverly Hills and I'll be applying this one in my crease. So next I'm going to take the Soft Glam palette and I'm going to take the shade right here, which is Mulberry. I'm going to apply this all over my lid and I'm going to go up into my crease with this shade as well. Next you guys, I'm going to take the shade Noir right here and I'm going to blend this at the top of right at the lash line. I don't want to use a liquid eyeliner because I don't want anything too harsh. I just want everything to be nice and smoky. So I'm going to just apply that and then apply my lashes. So these are the lashes I'm going to be applying. They're from INB, y'all. I don't know the number, but I took a picture of all the lashes that I bought. And when I find the number, I'll leave it down in the description box, of course. And I will be using the best eyelash glue. It's the Duo Lash Glue. It's just the green one, y'all. The green one works amazing. Alright you guys, so this is how we are looking. Real cute. So I'm applying the Anastasia Beverly Hills Hydrating Facial Oil for my moisturizer. Okay you guys, so I mixed these two foundations together. Y'all know this is my go-to combination. The shades and everything will be down in the description box, and I already applied a little bit on my face because I'm trying to record an Instagram reel at the same time so I can post that. Hopefully it looks good. If it doesn't, I'm gonna just do my face over and do like a different kind of look just for Instagram because y'all, I'm trying to come back on the gram. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply this. Everywhere, y'all. I love me some foundation. After I blend everything out on my face, I just take what's left on my sponge and then apply it on my forehead. Do y'all see this match though? I love these two foundations mixed together. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin, nothing. This is what I got so far, but I'm gonna delete that. I deleted it. Okay, because I know later on I can do a much better one when my full focus is that. Moving on to concealer, I'm gonna take the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect. I just picked this up again, and this time I picked it up in 150 Natural Sand. I usually use I think it's 145 Warm Beige, but I got this one, so we gonna see. Okay, it looks good. Oh yes. Ooh. Ooh. So I'm just gonna apply it to this side. I feel like a little bit goes a long way. I feel like you don't even need to apply this much. I'm just gonna do some light taps with this concealer. And let me know if you guys have tried this Milani concealer. I feel like this is a really good drugstore concealer. This right here and the L'Oreal Infallible. Girl, the L'Oreal Infallible, this is amazing. It really is. The coverage, the consistency, the way it blends everything. Both of them are really nice, honestly, both of them. Somebody did say it was too thick, but I love full coverage, and when you're gonna get something full coverage, most likely it's gonna be pretty thick. Oh, I love the shade that I chose. It did end up working out. I thought it was gonna be too light. So you guys, I'm gonna quickly set everything in place with the Huda Beauty, what color is this? Banana Bread setting powder. I always gotta make sure that you got your powder ready. Y'all, I forgot to cream contour. I don't like to add like any kind of cream or just like any kind of liquid again back on my face after I already applied any kind of powder. What is that? Is it showing up? Oh, it is showing up on camera. So y'all, I'm still gonna dab into my cream contour. Oh baby, let's see if this works. I do not want to mess up this face. So this is the Huda Beauty Contour and Bronzer Cream in Light. So y'all, I already set the cream contour with my NYX Highlight Contour palette. I use this shade right here. And I'm just trying to blend it out as much as I can. My robe. So this is really pretty. Next, I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Extra Hold Resting Boss Face Waterproof Ultra Matte Setting Spray. And it looks like this. I told y'all about this. Do I recommend it? No. Why do I keep using it? First of all, it's really harsh. This reminds me of a hairspray. When I mentioned that in one of my older videos, somebody said that they seen somebody actually use Got To Be hairspray to set their face, to set their makeup. Hey, do you? Y'all, I know you see that little dot right there. That's just my eyelash glue drying. For highlight, I'm using my Revlon Skin Lights highlighter. Y'all, ain't it pretty? It's so pretty. The brush that I'm using is a Eco Tools controlled setting brush, but I'm gonna use that as a highlight brush. So I'm gonna go back in the Soft Glam palette, take that Mulberry shade. This is the same shade that's all over my lids, and I'm going to blend this and smoke it out underneath my bottom lash line. And y'all probably wonder, like, I never add anything in my waterline. The only thing I do add is like maybe like a brown. Oh, I should have added a brown. I might go back and add like a brown eye pencil in my waterline, but I never do black because I feel like it just doesn't look right on me. Yo, isn't this look so pretty? Did my eyelash glue dry? Can y'all still see that on top? Because that's gonna really make me mad if I go back and edit it and it's like a white dot. I created a look like this, like a brown, just brown all around look, because I purchased some new nude lipsticks, y'all, and they are bomb. Well, I haven't used it yet, but the color, oh my gosh, the color is everything. Why every time I do my makeup, my nose is like running and it gets stuffy? It's weird. It's probably that Huda Beauty setting spray, because that thing is strong. But I don't know, I just like, it makes me feel like my makeup isn't gonna move, transfer, like it just locks everything in. That's why I use it. And it does keep your face matte. Keeps your makeup matte. So just like the top, where is that angled brush? Okay, I'm using this, what is this? The Laura Mercier flat eyeliner brush. This is the same brush, remember y'all, when I blended the black on top up here. So I'm gonna do the same thing underneath my bottom lash line. Yeah, see? Can y'all see? This color really brings out my eye color. I'm gonna take this shade right here, what is this, Glistening, and apply this in my inner corner. Y'all, I used to be all about the brow bone highlight. I haven't done this in so long. I haven't highlighted my brows in so long. I barely do that with the looks that I do now. Okay, you guys, so for lips, these are the new nude lipstick and lip glosses that I picked up the other day. And I am definitely going to be getting some more. I'm going to do a close-up for y'all. Let me do a close-up. I don't know how to hold this. This is so many. Alright, you guys. Here they are. I turned down the brightness for y'all so you guys can actually see the true color of it. And they are beautiful. I'm obsessed. Oh, wait. I didn't turn the brightness back up. Hold on. Okay. I think it was like this. I don't know. I picked up this lip liner. It's from Mented Cosmetics. I tried this out, but I feel like it's a little too warm for my liking. Like I love a warm brown lip liner, but a little darker than that. So I'm just gonna go back to my little baby right here. It's from NK. It's from the beauty supply store, y'all. And I actually did order some new lip liners. Actually, I'm just waiting for them to come in the mail. So this lip liner is actually like the perfect deep brown liner. If you want to do a light nude in the middle or a deep color, it's like the perfect liner for it. And it was only $1. This look made me want to put on like a darker lip. I might do this one, y'all. Should I do this one? Y'all, I don't know. Which one should I use, y'all? I'm asking y'all, like, y'all can just tell me right now, like, which one I should use. This color though? Do y'all see the color on that? Oh, and it smells good. Like, I literally found the perfect nudes. I ain't even gonna lie, because I'm really picky with my nudes. I do not like when it's peachy or too pink. I love more like a beige nude. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna use this one. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink, and it's in the shade Chai Genius. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Do y'all see this color? And I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Malt Liquid Lipstick. And I'm just putting this on the edge of my lip so it can have like that ombre effect. And this literally feels like it's not gonna go anywhere. Oh my gosh. I'm in love. I'm about to go out in about 3 months. Right after this video. I don't even know what to say. This is made with just $1 liner and a drugstore liquid lipstick. Okay, I did add a little bit of the Anastasia Beverly Hills, but this is not really needed. I'm not gonna apply gloss because I'm loving how it looks. I'm a matte lip girl, so y'all, this face, whew, we did that. We did that. All right, you guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.